said, it is a concern if bills are declared unconstitutional when the Honorable Attorney General has contributed to them. What I would do is to find out why they have been declared unconstitutional. Number two, I would make sure that as the Attorney General, I advise that wherever we come up with a bill, it meets the constitutional requirements as provided. Thank you.
Now, Dorcas nominee will take a batch of 333, starting with Isola, Posing, then on Kikaria, in that order.
All right, thank you.
One question each. No preambles.
Okay, please allow me to ask two. Chairman, no preamble. You have served in the AG's office before. Are there instances where the AG then advised the executive and the advice was not taken? What will you do if this committee finds you